Okay, the next step in using WordPress is to actually moderate comments. So let's go take a look. There's already one comment kind of installed by default by WordPress when you install it. So let's go to comments. And you can see there's a comment here, and let's kind of look at the what's included in a comment. There's quote unquote the person's name, their URL, when the comment was submitted, the comment text, what page or post the comment is about, and then you as the moderator get to either approve or unapprove, reply, do a quick edit, call it spam, or just throw it away. So the way we set up our comments earlier was we had everything go into a moderation queue. So this comment should actually come in like this, and then if you think this is an okay comment, you would just click on approve. So let's do that. And let's also say that you want to reply to your visitor, because the really neat thing about blogs is the interactive nature of them. And that is you can almost have a near real-time conversation with your visitors. So if they make a comment based upon one of your posts, you can reply to them and get a conversation going. That's really cool. So let's just click on reply and say, thanks, please stop by. And contribute. Something easy like that. Then you click reply. Now, if there was something in this comment, like sometimes your commenter will misspell a word or whatever, and it was just a mistake. You're not really trying to change their content, because I'm not big into censoring comments. You can edit the comment, and edit and quick edit give you roughly the same kind of functionality. I'll show you the quick edit in a minute, but let's just say that they spelled just wrong. Okay, let's say they spelled it like this, because that's typical. That's a typical typo, JSUT instead of JUST. You just go in, change it, update the comment. You can even change whether it's a pending or a spam comment. You can change the name or the email address or the URL. There's a lot of things you can do there. So we click update comment. I'll show you what a quick edit looks like. And that's, if you look at it, it still has the name, the email, and the URL, and then the comment. The only thing you can't really do is change the status of the comment from approved to spam or trash or whatever. Okay, so update comment, and that's really all there is to comments and comment moderation.